is NBFC. As per the Reserve Bank of India and the latest amendments under Companies Act, a NBFC is a company registered under Companies Act 1956, engaged in the business of loans and advances, acquisition of shares, stocks, bonds, debentures, securities issued by government or local authority or other marketable securities of a like nature, leasing, hire purchase, insurance business, chit business, and includes a company which has principal business of receiving deposits under any scheme or arrangement in one lump sum or in installments by way of contribution or in any other manner, but does not include any institution whose principal business is that of agriculture activity, industrial activity, purchase or sale of any goods other than securities, or providing any services and sale, purchase, construction of immovable property. Now let's talk about what do NBFCs do. The activities of NBFCs are similar to that of banks. However, there are few differences as follow. NBFCs cannot accept demand deposits. NBFCs do not form part of payment and settlement system. Therefore, they cannot issue check drawn on itself. Deposit insurance facility and credit guarantee corporation is not available to depositors in case of NBFC. Is registration of NBFC necessary with RBI? There are two major requisites to be compiled by NBFC before carrying out its operations. They are: firstly, it shall obtain a certificate of registration from the RBI, and secondly, it shall have net owned funds of 200 lakhs. Prerequisites for registration with RBI. There are two major requisites for a NBFC to be registered with RBI. Firstly, it should be a company registered under Section 3 of Companies Act 1956, and secondly, it should have minimum net owned funds of 200 lakh rupees. Procedure for submitting application to RBI for registration. Fill in the application form and submit the physical copy of application along with necessary documents to the regional office of RBI through following procedure. Get access to RBI's secured website cosmos.rbi.org.in. Log on to Cosmos application and click on Company Registration section on the login portal of Cosmos. Download suitable application form, fill in the data and upload the form. Company application reference number CARN will be generated, and which is generated at this stage. Submit the hard copy of this form along with the necessary documents to the regional office of RBI. Then the status of the application from the above mentioned secured address can be checked by filling in the acknowledgement number. Now let's talk about the documents required to be filed along with the application form. They are: certified copies of the Certificate of Incorporation and Certificate of Commencement of Business in case of public limited companies, certified copies of extract of only the main object clause in the MOA relating to the financial business, a board resolution stating that the company shall adhere to the Fair Practices Code as per RBI guidelines and shall not carry on the following activities before getting registration from RBI. That is, these activities include carrying on any NBFC activity, accepting any public deposit. For existing companies, the audited balance sheet and profit and loss account along with directors and auditors report for the entire period the company is in existence or for last 3 years, whichever is less. Copy of certificate of highest educational and professional qualification in respect of all the directors. Copy of experience certificate, if any, in the financial services sector including banking sector in respect of all the directors. Banker's report providing details of deposits and loans balances as on the date of application and the conduct of the account. After the submission of application for registration, RBI will scrutinize the documents on all grounds, and on being satisfied about the proper compliances with the rules and regulations, it shall issue a certificate of commencement of business. For more information, you can visit our website www.enterslice.com or mail us at info@enterslice.com